Alrighty guys, what is going up? Welcome back to the best investing money management channel on YouTube. I am your host Carter, and in today's video we are going to be talking about the top 3 stocks under $20. Now, why $20? Well, $20 is perfect for beginners and more experienced investors that really want to capitalize on share size. So you do not need hundreds or even thousands of dollars to buy shares, because if you guys wanted to buy a full share of Google, you're looking at over, $1,500. If you wanted to buy a share of Amazon, you're looking at well over, $3,200. So the beauty about these more affordable stocks is you can capitalize on share size, and if those stocks become the next Google or the next Amazon, you'll make a lot more money out of the growth of that. So the very first stock that I absolutely love is PRTS. This is carparts.com. Okay, now this is a provider of aftermarket auto parts. Now you might be saying, well, Carter, there's no money to be made here. Well, actually, there is. The company's been growing at a astonishing rate. You guys can see with a beautiful upward trend in the price. Lows here at $9, highs here at $23. It's definitely more of a volatile stock, but one of the main reasons why I love it is because of the extremely high revenue. They have a revenue growth of around 64%, which is astonishing. I think a lot of that carried over because of the lockdowns. People couldn't go out and get parts, so they had to order them. So this company made a lot of money, and a lot of people are just continuing to use this because it's more convenient and in some cases more affordable to just buy the parts online. So the company's growing at a phenomenal rate here. Moving on, in the kind of similar sector here, we have ticker symbol F. Okay, this is Ford Motor Company. I think we all know this stock. Now, the thing about Ford is if you look at the year-to-date chart, we have literally a beautiful upward trend in the stock price, right? So this thing, anytime you would have bought in up at these highs here, you'd be up on your money, except for the move from $16 to about $13. But one of the main reasons why I like Ford in general is because they bring in a lot of money. They bring in a lot of money. They are really diversifying into the electric auto space and the autonomous driving auto space, which I think that is the sector to be in right now. It's clean energy, AI, and autonomous driving. Those are like the 3, and cybersecurity. Those are like the 3 or 4 sectors. And Ford is definitely getting into that head on. They're investing billions of dollars to create these cars that are more fuel efficient or just fully electric. they had that new Mustang that is beautiful, and they're selling out of it. That's the biggest problem right now, is they cannot get their get these chips for their cars because the demand is there. They just cannot get the chips. One thing about Ford that I absolutely do not like is their debt. They do have around $160 billion in long-term debt, and they only have right at around $30 billion in cash, which seems like a lot of money in cash, but compared to the long-term debt, it definitely outweighs it. But you guys can see the growth is here with Ford, especially on the year-to-date. The 3-year chart is a little different, but you guys can see there's definitely a major reversal with this stock coming in contact with $4 and really has been a powerhouse ever since. I think the overall momentum is definitely just going to continue and get more and more stronger. I can see the stock being at around $18 to $20 by the end of this year, just purely looking off growth. All right, now the last and final stock that I want to talk about is ticker symbol SoFi. Now this one here is a phenomenal stock in the fintech sector. So fintech is the financial technology. So you'll have companies like PayPal, Square, companies like that are front runners in the pretty much online payment sector. Okay, SoFi is a competitor with banks, Robinhood, brokers, everybody. They have a variety of products from loans, auto loans, personal loans. You can buy and sell stock and even cryptocurrency. The company makes good money. They're growing at a very fast rate, and I think the overall momentum is going to continue. The overall revenue has grown around 129%, and growing fast. So I think that we'll see this growth here, especially just by looking at the chart. You guys can see it has lows here at $10, highs here at 28. So there is just a little volatility with it for sure. But you notice every time we have a sell-off down to about $14, we get buying pressure there. You see these wicks in this candle, that means buying pressure entering. Okay, so you guys can see, went all the way down in here, buying pressure. Came all the way down in here, buying pressure. Now, look at this. Same price action. I think we're going to get a little more buying pressure stepping in. So this would be a good opportunity to hop in. Setting your stops if you were to swing trade this thing below like $13.50, risking $2 for this thing to come back up to this. Risking $2 to make $10 all day long. You could be wrong 5 times and still make money. So I think that these are going to be the top stocks right now under $20 that carry so much growth. It's absolutely crazy. That is it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And overall, I hope you guys got something of value. And we will see you guys later. Remember to stay happy, stay positive, and stay safe out there. Take care, everyone.